Hi, I'm Irene and welcome back to another episode of Kimchi as We Know It. Today we're going to be cooking with the classic sliced Napa cabbage kimchi. It comes in this 1.5 kilogram jar, and for Koreans that is key because while it's most often served as a banchan or a side dish, honestly we use kimchi in like every facet of our cooking. There's kimchi jjigae, we cook it with meats, cook it into stews and noodle soups, and honestly the best thing about kimchi is the fact that it just gets better with time. In the beginning, you have that like fresh, crunchy side dish kimchi, and then as it goes on, it softens and ripens, and that's the best kind of kimchi to cook with. Today, we're gonna be cooking a kimchi skillet roast chicken, so let's go. First, I got my trusty cast iron. And then we're gonna chop up some of our onions. So we're just gonna chunk this up into sort of bite-sized pieces, and these will cook down in the oven. I'm gonna take a couple carrots and do kind of the same thing, just sort of cut these in half, and then cut these into bite-sized pieces. And then we're gonna add in our kimchi. And what this is gonna do is as it cooks in the oven, it's kind of gonna braise and it's gonna let off a lot of moisture and juices and just like create a lot, like this really unctuous flavor base for the chicken. Nice. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil and then season our veggies. A little bit of cracked black pepper as well. So the chicken we're also gonna season with salt and pepper very generously. And crack in some pepper here. Okay, then I'm gonna put the chicken on the pan. Pop them on. They're such big boys. Nice little bed of chicken thighs. We're gonna put the skillet into the oven at 450 degrees until it is nice and golden brown. It's gonna be about 35 minutes. All right, we have our chicken ready from the oven. It is beautifully delicious golden brown. I love this recipe because it is such a simple dish. You saw how quick it was to put it together. I feel like this is perfect for a weeknight meal. If you're busy with your family, or got a lot going on, you know, something really comforting like roast chicken with all of the beautiful vegetables and kimchi is just the thing you need. So we're gonna plate this up. I'm gonna grab myself a nice juicy chicken thigh and layer lots of veggies alongside. The smell is amazing. It's so aromatic. The kimchi like mixed with the onions and the carrots, it's like giving me a really cozy like kimchi jjigae, really cozy like kimchi stew vibe. We're gonna top it with a little bit more kimchi, which will sort of add a bright freshness and crunch to the dish, and top it with some scallions. This is our kimchi skillet roast chicken. I can't wait to dive in. All right, here's our perfect bite with our chicken and our carrots and our roasted kimchi. Big bite. The richness of the roasted kimchi adds so much flavor to the chicken, and the chicken is so juicy from being cooked in the oven on this skillet. This is such a perfect weeknight meal. I can't wait to make this again.